Hi, how are you everybody? Hopefully we will be fine. Today I am back with another video in which we will copy template in Excel with VBA. Let me show you that what are we doing today. This is our targeted file PM template. Open it. Now what I do that I will save this workbook through VBA with another name. And one most important point is that through VBA by default it will copy all the layout and with the same number of worksheets through VBA. If we do with the manual, then we have to add sheets here. Now let me show you that I have 4 sheets here, and let me open it here. New workbook, sorry, let it open it. By default it has one worksheet, and if we have to perform the task manually, then we have to create 4 worksheets and then rename these worksheets, while through macro it will automatically create these 4 worksheets. How it can do? Now come to the code please. No, sorry, already I have sheet with closing this PM work template. Don't save. No. So first of all, create subroutine with copy template name. Now I am creating 2 variable, path file name as variant. Now we'll create WBT as workbook. Path variable will store the path of newly created workbook, and file name will ask user to specify the name of newly created workbook. So first of all, we have to add a new workbook. This command is very important. Through this command our 50% task will be completed. Workbook.add. After you are seeing by default it is add template as workbook. We write it as template. Now specifying the path, sorry, it's macros folder. Now worksheet name. Dot XLSM. It is our macro enable worksheet. So workbook we are today we will copy the macro enable workbook. After this, ask user to save newly created workbook. Application get. Okay. After that, we will save active workbook dot save as file name equal to path and XLSX, specifying the format. In highlighted point we will specify the format, that in which format we want to save our newly created workbook, in Excel format, PDF or text file. For text we will mention it TXT, and for a PDF we will mention it as a PDF. Currently we are saving in a Excel workbook. Now assign variable to the newly created workbook, so WBT active workbook. Message box, this is one of my favorite macro command. dot name. That why I am using this message box here. I am just want to verify that our newly created workbook has saved with which name. Is it the same name which we will ask user to specify through path command, and it will verify that it is the same name or not, or either we will check that which name it will be saving. Now wbt dot save, and now closing the newly created workbook. Now I am going to run out this code. Press F8 key. Wait, here is the error. Active workbook dot no, file name spelling is wrong. Wait, active workbook dot save as file name no path and XLSX now mark this as comment. Now it is asking user to specify the newly created name here, and I will going to save it as desktop with name PMTEMP just PM template 2. Okay, at desktop. Now it window prompt of that as we are copying from macro enable worksheet, that we want to save it as a macro free workbook or with macro enable XLSM. If we want to save it XLSM, then we will press no, and currently I am saving it with a free workbook without macro enable, so I will click here yes. Now it is giving me that have you seen that through message box we have verified that its name is PM template 2, which user has given through the application.get file save name as. Okay, and close it. Now I want to verify that either it has been saved or not. Here I will open it and just check it out. It is same previous maintenance sheet 3, 4, 2, 1, or the worksheet has been created with the same layout, exactly with the same things, same layout, same template. Even button is also it is copying. While through if we want to do it manually, it will take efforts, and it is the only benefit of VBA that we want to automate our whole process. Hopefully it will be good for you. And if you want to create different copies of this workbook, then we have to use their loop, and it will be I am assuming that you will know it how to create different copies through this code. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, kindly comment at this video and let me know. If there is any issue, kindly mention in the comment box. Kindly like my channel and give a like to the video, and thank you. Bye bye, have a good day.